everyone, my name is Shreya. Today we are going to make this small things folder. So let's start. Materials requirement are origami sheets, 3 origami sheets of your color and a Fevicol or Fevi-stick. So let's start. Take one sheet, then fold it like this. Like this. Then fold this corner to this corner and this also same. Like this. So then open it, then take this and fold it here. Like this. Then fold this to here. Like this. Then do same with this. So I have made these 3 like that only. So then take the Fevi-stick or Fevicol or Fevi glue stick. Then this glue this triangle. And paste the other like this. Like this. Then here, then glue it, then paste this. Oh no, that fault. So the next step is glue this triangle and just paste like this. Pull it inside this. See, this is ready. Small things folder is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.